the devil is about to suffer the worst devastation. Because one tiny Moses has heard the voice of God and has stepped out to demand by force and by power the liberation of the saints. You are coming out finally now.
Natoka siwezi baki hapa, nimechoka. Jesus, hey, me had you tell no man, yeah man, go and dip 7 times all up in the Jordan. Now I live for do that, no more leprous affliction, the blood in his perfect depiction. And me had you tell a blind man, go and wash up.